Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 social media marketing tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. In this video, I'm going to provide you with a free Google Plus cover photo template for Photoshop or GIMP to reflect the changes made to the social network in May 2013. Where previously, when people landed on your Google Plus page, they could see around the bottom 2/3 of your cover photo. By default now, when someone lands on your page, they only get to see the very bottom portion, which is about 160 pixels. If they want to see it in its entirety, they have to scroll up like this. So you've got a huge area to create your Google Plus cover photo, and I've created a template to help you do just that. So here's the template in Photoshop. This red section represents the big area where your Google Plus cover photo is seen, and this bottom green section represents the grey gradient at the bottom, which Google overlays onto all cover photos, and that includes your profile photo, your website, and your page name. So go ahead and design your cover photo in this red area, and anything less important in this green area, and when you're done you should have something that looks a little bit like this. Then just delete the template layers, save it, and upload it to Google+. Grab the link to the template in the description below. You'll land on my blog. Just scroll down through the blog post, have a read if you like, and click on the minus.com link here at the bottom. And on this page, just hover over the image and click the download button in the top right hand corner. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.